Hello students, sorry for inconvenience. And now I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, and I am going to explain summer vacation homework, that is SBSW of session 2021-2022, and that is of summer vacation homework of class 4. And there is a suggestion for guardian. Guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following given summer vacation homework. See it in a separate prescribed copy, that is practice copy of each subject. Put initial signature at the last page of summer vacation homework sheet and copy. Note, the summer vacation homework response shall be counted in periodic assessment first, that is PA first. Once again, listen, guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following given summer vacation homework sheet in a separate prescribed copy, that is called practice copy. Of each subject, put initial signature at the last page of SBSW sheet and copy. I am your subject teacher of math, so let's come on homework, summer vacation homework of mathematics. That is subject of mathematics, homework of summer vacation homework of mathematics. In learning work, you have to learn, in oral work, you have to learn countings 1 to 1000. Okay, in first work, learn counting 100, 1 to 1000. Okay, and in second, learn table 2 to 20. And third work is learn even number, odd number. You have to learn definitions of even numbers and odd numbers, and you have to learn Roman numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, and you have to learn properties of plane shapes. In plane shapes, you know that in plane shapes, rectangle, triangle, circles comes in plane shape, and in solid shape, you know that cube, cuboid, sphere are come in solid shape. So you have to learn properties and characteristics of these shapes, and you have to also learn month's name, day's name. Okay, now come on written work. In written work, you have to do practice of 5-digit number, do practice question of related to 5-digit number, and do practice question of related to 6-digit number. And in third, write Roman numbers 1 to 20. Sorry for inconvenience, that is there is an error. Write Roman numbers 1 to 100. Okay, and you have to write table 2 to 20, and you have to do practice of place value and addition and subtraction. In 6 work, practice estimation and story sums. You know that these topics are, you have studied these topics, so you have to do practice of place value related to addition and subtraction, and practice estimation and story sums. You know that what is estimation, you have learned, you have studied in online class, so you have to solve questions, you have to do practice of related to estimation and story sums. In activity work, make number cards 0 to 9, and build 5-digit and 6-digit number. You have to make number cards as like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to make these number cards and build 5-digit and 6-digit number from number cards. Okay, and in project work, you have to make numbers 1 to 100 Roman numbers on a chart paper. On a chart paper, you have to write numbers 1 to 100, Roman numbers 1 to 100, and the next work is list the things that are same as shapes and write the shapes name similar to it. As like in self-source homework, you know that is called SSSW. List the thing that are same as shapes. List the thing that are same as shapes and write the shape name similar to it. As like, you know that book is as like cuboid, so you have to mention book, and a book is similar to cuboid. Okay, so you have to list the thing that are same as shapes and write the shape name similar to it. Once again, you have to listen. In oral work, you have to learn countings 100, 1 to 1000. Second is learn table 2 to 20. Third is learn even definitions of even number, odd numbers, and you have to learn Roman numbers 1 to 100 shapes, and you have to learn properties of plane shapes and solid shapes, and you have to learn also month's name, days name. In written work, you have to do practice of 5-digit number. Second work is do practice of 6-digit number. In third work, write Roman numbers 1 to 200. And fourth work is write table 2 to 20. And in fifth, do practice of place value and addition and subtraction. And sixth, practice estimation and historism. And in activity work, make number cards from 0 to 9 and build 5-digit and 6-digit number. In project work, write make a project of Roman numbers on a chart paper. SSHW self-search homework, list the things that are same as shifts and write the shifts name similar to it. Thank you for watching the video.